Minkejja li l-Ministru tas-Saħħa Godfrey Farrugia fl-aħħar jinftaħar li fl-isptar Mater Dei il-kju fid-Dipartiment tal-Emerġenza spiċċa, persuni li kkuntattjaw lil dan l-istazzjon jiġdu li dan mhux minnu. Ma dan l-istazzjon tkellmet Seli, mara mill-Belt Valletta li damet tistenna fil-kju biex tara gajni. Din ma kienx l-ewwel darba li marret fid-Dipartiment tal-Emerġenza u jispjegat kif taħseb li s-sitwazzjoni issa tinsab qar minn kif kienet qabel.
On the paper the other day, it said there was no queues Easter. I said, and suppose there's no queues anymore with this government. And she didn't know what to say. I think it's worse. I've been to the emergency, I've always found a seat, but there was not one seat anywhere, even along the sides and people standing at the door.
Selli spjegat kif mhux biss damet tistenna, iżda anke persuni oħra tant li mara kellha tmur fi sptar privat.
She was there 5.5 hours with a small child, phoning up a private clinic to take the kid to see a doctor.
Għar minn hekk, differenza oħra li rat Seli kien fil-ħin li ddum tistenna biex wara li tkun tajt id-dettalji personali jsejħulek biex tmur ferja oħra tal-emerġenza.
You give your name, your ID, then after 5-10 minutes you go to, I think they call it triage 1. You see a nurse and she sees what you want and gives you priority. I asked one of the employees, I said, why they haven't called me? He said, you're lucky. He said last Wednesday there was a man, he came, 10 o'clock in the morning, still there at 10 o'clock in the evening, and didn't get seen until 1 o'clock the next day.
Fil-ħin li għamlet tistenna, Seli saqsiet tistax tkellem lill-Ministru tas-Saħħa li għandu uffiċċju fid-Dipartiment tal-Emerġenza, iżda ngħatat din it-tweġiba.
I asked an employee, I said I want to see where's the minister? He said he's here but not in this part of the hospital.
Kommossa din il-mara spjegat ukoll kif security għajjat magħha b'mod aggressiv għax biex tgħaddi l-ħin ħarġet it-tablet sabiex taqbad mal-Wi-Fi. U dan peress li kien hemm tabella li tajt li hemm aċċess għall-Wi-Fi. L-uffiċjal tas-sigurtà tal-isptar saħansitra ġebilha l-pulizija.
A security guard came onto me, very aggressive, shouting at me, what are you doing? What are you doing? I said, I'm trying to get the internet, the Wi-Fi. He told me, you can't film in here. You can't take photos. I said, I'm not taking photos. He went away. He went through the other door. He came back with a policeman. But by then I was already on the phone to my husband because he frightened me, the security.
Fl-aħħar jiem, għexieren ta' persuni ċemplunna jilmentaw li minkejja l-wedijiet elettorali kollha u minkejja l-ftaħir tal-Gvern u tal-Ministru tas-Saħħa, is-sitwazzjoni tal-kwijiet fl-isptar mhux tal-li ma ssolvitx imma tal-lider li gravat. Tant li nhar il-Ħadd il-Ministru kellu saħansitra jiġi msejjaħ personalment fid-Dipartiment tal-Emerġenza minħabba l-kajos li kien hemm. Dan jumejn biss wara li fuq is-Super One iddikjara li l-kwijiet spiċċaw.